Hey,
All
Miss
right,
Luz,
so, yeah.
I got 100% on my test.
Oh, did you? So Javen,
Yeah.
you might want to go to a breakout room and work on mods 1, 2, 3, or 4. Go take the end of unit tests on those and see how you do. So
Okay.
let me make a breakout room for you to go do that. Okay.
Okay.
So breakout rooms, I'm going to make a couple because we're going to be doing science things and let students choose rooms. So there you go, my friend, opening the room, and you can go in there, Javen, into one of those rooms and go do mods 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, because
All right.
we already did those. Okay.
All right.
So
Can
since
I go in
Javen
room
was
1?
at another school, yeah, you go ahead now, and I'll bring you back when it's time for kids to do their science projects.
Okay.
Since Javen was at another school, he already did this unit, but we need to learn it. And so today we're talking about like how to know what to do when. And we add things like this to equations. Parentheses you're used to, they're just the straight, like the smiley faces. Parentheses group things together that you do first. Brackets is a term to describe symbols we use to group things together. There are different types of brackets: parentheses, square brackets, and braces. Parentheses are the first step when using PEMDAS, which means that if an expression has parentheses, we solve that first. Notice in the expression below how easy it would be to evaluate an expression incorrectly if you skipped the parentheses. If you do the parentheses, it's 7 plus 2, which is 9, times 3, we do multiplication next, so that's 27, minus 2 is 25. But if we didn't have those parentheses there, let's say we started with the multiplication first, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 and 7 is 13, minus 2 is 11. Completely different answers. This one, multiplication first, is wrong because you have to do parentheses first. So you have to remember that the PEMDAS, the P is the parentheses. Do those first. So here we go. We got to evaluate this expression. So everybody solve it right now. Put it in chat and see if you can get it right. 8 plus parentheses 6 times 3 minus 4 divided by 2. Now remember, you're going to do parentheses, then you're going to be doing multiplication and division second, then you do addition and subtraction. So let's see how you do on this one. I'm going to open the chat and watch for some answers. 3 times 6 is not 16. Oh, thank you. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 8 plus 18 is 26. 2 is 24. Okay. I got my answer. Put your answer in. I don't see any answers in yet. Luis and Amadi, try to put your answers in the chat. And then we'll go through it slowly. I don't see the answer yet, Amadi. How you doing? You got the 18. Now you need to do 4 divided by 2 next. Then you do the 8 plus 18 minus.
1 divided by 2 is 2, I think.
Yeah, so 18 minus, so 18 plus 8.
Yeah, 8. Yeah, yes.
18
yes.
plus 8 is, so here it says you start with the 18. Then you do the 4 divided by 2. Now you rewrite it. 8 plus 18 minus 2. 8 plus 18 is 26.
26 minus 2.
Minus 2 is 24. If you got 24, you are right. Let's do another one. See if you can get this one right. Let's see how fast you can do it. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 9 is 18. Minus 7 equals 11 plus 6. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, you're cool. Yeah, but now you need to solve it. So 18 minus 7 plus 6, which is really 18 minus 1. Did you get the answer?
I am thinking.
Well, if you do minus 7 and plus 6, those two kind of cancel each other out, don't they?
17.
Huh?
17?
Yeah, 17. So here we go. You do the parentheses first. So that's the 3 times 2. Then you go to multiplication and division. 9 times 2, 18. Then you do the addition and subtraction. So you have 11 minus 7, or 18 minus 7, which is 11, plus 6, 17. Solution 17. In your interactive notebook, using PEMDAS, find the value of each of these and write about your answers. So you should practice these. And if you think you understand it, let's go on to the next page. Impression within expression. So I think that's the whole lesson. And now they just want you to practice on some of these and check your answers. Try it, answers. So this is just practice. And we'll watch this. Evaluate the following expressions using PEMDAS. If you answer correctly, you get to place a letter. Let's play the game.
Pick a letter.
I'm going to be X. Okay. Here we go. All right. What are we going to do first on this one? Louise, what are we going to do first?
Parentheses first.
Parentheses
Then
first.
multiplication.
So what is 8 divided by 2?
4. 8
4.
divided by
What are we going to do next?
4. And then do 3 times 5. 5,
Okay, so
which would be
15 plus
15
4
plus 4.
is
4
19.
minus A.
Is
8 equals,
that right?
yeah, 11.
Let's see. We get to put our X in. Yay. Wow, it's taking it forever to choose its spot. Here we go again. Luis, what are we going to start with here? Eli, what do we start with here? PEMDAS. We start with the P, which is the parentheses. So the first thing we do is 3 times 3 is 9. So then we have to remember the 9, jot it down, and then we have to do multiplication. So the E is exponents. There's no exponents. The M in PEMDAS is multiplication. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 divided by 3 times 3 are 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2, because 2 times 9 is 18. 2 plus 6 is? Anybody? 8. Okay. Uh-oh. I get to put my X in. Well, yeah. If I put it there, put it there, they're gonna go there. I put it here, they're gonna go over there, and then I do the winning blow. That's not gonna work. Oh yeah, here. That still won't work. Here. They're gonna go. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, here we go. This one, parentheses, 25 divided by 5. What is that? 25 divided by 5. 5 times what is 25, Luis? I can't hear you, Luis. I wish you'd answer. You could do it in the chat. 25 divided by 5. Eli, what's 25 divided by 5? Help me out, guys. 5 times 5 is 25. So this is 5. Now we do multiplication. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 minus 7 is, let's see, if I take 1 from the 7, that leaves 6 more I have to take from the next 10. And that's 14, I think. Is that right? Let's see if that's right. Oh, we got it right. No, I got to go there. Okay, now I got 2 ways to win. Yay. Ooh, this next one we're going to win. Starting with PEMDAS. So parentheses, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Now I look for multiplication or division. It's not there. Now I just start on the left. 12 plus 6 is 18. Minus 4 is 14. Plus 9 is 23. Yay, hero. What a wonderful job. All right, friends. You have one more day with this one, but if I were you, I might start on the final thing just because it takes a while. They're having you practice here. This is really good practice with your multiplication facts as well. So here's your assignment, 1301 math vacation quiz. You can do it. Read the lesson, complete the activities, do the math vacation quiz. Remember, if you need to access PEMDAS, you can go up here into your file and it'll say printables. And let's see if it's got the PEMDAS chart. I do not see it. Videos, spiral reviews. I don't see that they have the PEMDAS chart there. Huh. That's weird. Then you have to go back to that page that it's on if you want to remember it. So that was page, I think page 4. Oh no, maybe it was page 2. Actually, that had PEMDAS. No, oh yeah, there it is. So there it is. I don't know why. If it were me, I'd probably go ahead and take a screenshot of it so that I could have it handy on my computer and remember it. So now I've got it right here. All right, friends. That's it for math today. There are some breakout rooms open. You need to go work on this assignment. This is 1301, and you have till the end of the day today to get it done and submitted by Monday. 1301. It's a quiz. You also need to do Dreambox, which I checked yesterday, and people are really behind on their Dreambox. Oh my goodness. Except for Eli, he's not behind, but everybody else is pretty behind on Dreambox. We've let it fall to the wayside. Or you can work on Spiral Review. At 10:30, I'm going to gather kids in one of the breakout rooms and do a science experiment. Okay? So if you want to go to a breakout room, go to a breakout room. At 10:30, we're going to do science. Who's here? Luis? Luis, I want to talk to you for a minute. So let's have you and I go to room 4. Okay? And have a good time, Amadi, going to Washington this weekend.
Thanks.
Again.
Luis, you need to go to room 4, please.
So do I leave?
Yeah, you can go, buddy. Are you done with your Dreambox? Go do a Dreambox.
Oh, okay.
Luis, are you there? Luis.